Hey, welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, listen, got to do this Craftsman giveaway for the pliers. There was only a few of you entered. Only a few of you made your made remarks or comments on the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and put your names in the cup. Michael Lindsay. If you've won in the past 30 days, well, you know, I didn't put that out. So I'm going to go ahead and put everybody's name in there. There's only one person in here that has. I think it's SS Nerd, 283. I started to call my channel Tool Nerd. I think that would fit. Let's see. Mitch Weiler, and last name to go in here, Ron Novak. Let's see. Let me make sure that's right. I'm gonna go to that video, go to comments. None. Let's see. Mitch, Michael, Pete. Pete has, let's see. Pete has won lately. Pete and Jeff. But like I said, I didn't say that I wouldn't add theirs. So let me look. Here we go. Let's see. I'm looking for names. I got a hat full of names here. Let's see. Wow. Is it gonna let me go down to the last three before I get to what I need to get to? Well, shoot. There we go. I knew that was another stack of names. I have regular people that come in on my lives, and so I have sort of two separate sets of names because I kind of know who's going to be in there. Every now and then I have some extras, but you know, there's Jeff. And let me add one more person, Pete. Where you at, Pete? This is going to be the last name. Okay, shake it up. Shake it up, baby, now. And we're going to draw a name for those Craftsman pliers. Let me get one more name. And it's Jeff. Okay, I've already got Jeff's email address. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and give away the Irwin pliers. The Irwin pliers goes to this next person. And it is Mitch Weiler, 3902 or something like that. Mitch Weiler. I'm going to put my email address down in the description. Make sure you email me and give me your address, and I'll send you out a pair of Irwin pliers. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching.